Hey guys, it's Brent. So basically I really wanted to share with you this very special discount link that I found before I actually purchased this product. I did a ton of searching on Google and that's how I came across this special discount link. I've actually attached it for you here below. And what I recommend you do right now is bookmark this video or add it to your favorites so that if you decide you want to buy the product in the future, you can just really easily pull up this video and of course the discount link that I've provided for you as well. So check it out. It's here below the video. Do yourself a favor, check out that discount link, and bye for now.